Hello student, today we are going to discuss History chapter 6 Conflict with the Mughals questions and answers. First question, find the names from the chapter. A dictionary containing Sanskrit word. Answer is Rajya Vyavhar Kosh. Next, he owned Trimbakgarh. Answer is Moropanta Pingle. This Sardar was defeated at Wani Dindori. The answer is Daulat Khan. A place where the British, Dutch and French had their factories. Answer is Surat. The present day state in which Tanjavur is situated. Answer is Tamil Nadu. The Subedar of Surat who failed to put up resistance to onslaught of Shivaji Maharaj. The answer is Inayat Khan. Next question. Select the appropriate alternatives. Who offered a strong resistance to the army of Shaiste Khan while defending fort at Chakan? Answer is Firangoji Narsala. Who died a hero's death while fighting the Mughals at Purandar? Answer is Morarbaji Deshpande. Who incurred the displeasure of Aurangzeb and was transferred to Bengal? Answer is Shaiste Khan. Where did coronation of Shivaji Maharaj take place? Answer is Raigad. Who crowned Shivaji Maharaj at coronation? Answer is Gaga Bhatt. What was started as a symbol of sovereignty? The answer is Rajyabhishek Sakha. Who said that it was no mean achievement for a Maharaj king to become such a great Chhatrapati? The answer is Sabhasad. When did coronation of Shivaji Maharaj take place? 6 June 1674. With whom did Shivaji Maharaj enter into a treaty of friendship? Qutub Shah. When did Shivaji Maharaj pass away at Raigad Fort? 3 April 1680. Next question, arrange the following events in the chronological order. Southern campaign of Shivaji Maharaj. Next, Raigad on Lal Mahal. Escape from Agra. Coronation. Treaty of Purandar and Shaiste invasion. Answer is first one, Shaiste Khan's invasion. Second, raid on Lal Mahal. Third, Treaty of Purandar. Fourth, escape from Agra. Fifth, coronation. And sixth, southern campaign of Shivaji Maharaj. Next question, complete the following diagram. Question, forts recaptured after returning from Agra. Answer, Karnala, Sinhagad, Purandar, Mahuli, Lohagad and Rohida. Next question. Special coins minted on the occasion of coronation. Gold coins Hon, copper coins Shivrai. Next question. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, who was entrusted the responsibility of looking after the conquered territory in south? The answer, Raghunath Narayan Hanumante was entrusted the responsibility of looking after the conquered territories in the south. Next, who was the ruler of Tanjavur? Venkoji Raje, the half-brother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the ruler of Tanjavur. What was inscribed on the horn and the Shivrai? The legend Sri Raja Shiv Chhatrapati was inscribed on the horn and the Shivrai. Next question. Which words did all royal correspondents carry after the coronation? After the coronation, all royal correspondents carried the word Kshatriya Kulavantansa Sri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. Next, how did Shivaji Maharaj become the founder of a new era? Answer, Shivaji Maharaj became the founder of a new era by starting Rajyabhishek Sakha after his coronation. Sixth, how did Shivaji Maharaj teach a lesson to Mughals for the revenge caused by Shaiste Khan? Answer, Shivaji Maharaj taught a lesson to the Mughal for the revenge caused by Shaiste Khan by a successful attack on the Mughals party and big trade center of Surat. Next question, answer the following questions in brief. What was decided in the Treaty of Purandar? Answer, the following terms were decided in the Treaty of Purandar. First point, Shivaji Maharaj was to give 23 of his forts and the adjoining territories, yielding an annual revenue of 4 lakh horns to the Mughals. Second, Maharaj assured the Mughals to help against the Adil Shahi. Second question, which territories under the control of the Mughals in the Deccan were attacked by Shivaji Maharaj? Answer. First point, Shivaji Maharaj attacked Ahmednagar and Junnar. He conquered Purandar, Sinhagad, Lohagad, Bahuli, Karnala and Rohida forts. Third point, he attacked Surat for the second time. Fourth, Moropanta Pingde captured Trimbakgarh near Nashik. Next question, which territories in the south were conquered by Shivaji Maharaj? First point, Shivaji Maharaj conquered Bengaluru and Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji, Vellore and the other forts in Tamil Nadu and some parts of the kingdom of Adil Shah. Next question, why did Shivaji Maharaj meet his half-brother Venkoji? What was the outcome? Answer. During his campaign in the south, Shivaji Maharaj met his half-brother Venkoji, ruler of Tanjavur, to seek his cooperation in the activities of the Swaraj. Next question, how did fort of Janji conquered by Shivaji Maharaj become useful in future? Answer. First point, Shivaji Maharaj annexed the fort of Jinji in Tamil Nadu to Swaraj. Second point, this proved to be of great importance in latter years when Mughal Emperor stayed put in Maharashtra to destroy Swaraj. Third point, Chhatrapati Rajaram decided to go to Jinji for safety reasons. Fourth, Rajaram Maharaj looked after administration of the Swaraj from there. Next question, what do you know about the second coronation of Shivaji Maharaj? Answer. First point, India had religious traditions of Vedic and Tantric type. Second point, the coronation of Shivaji Maharaj performed by Gaga Bhatt was according to the Vedic rituals on 6 June 1674. Third point, the second coronation according to Tantric tradition was performed by the Nishchalpuri Gosavi on 24th September 1674. Next question, give reason Shivaji Maharaj entered into the Treaty of Purandar. Answer. First point, the huge army of Diler Khan had ravaged the territory of Swaraj. Second point, Morarbaji Deshpande died a hero's death while defending Purandar. Third point, his subjects suffered great losses due to conflict with Mughals. Fourth, considering the seriousness of the situation, Shivaji Maharaj entered into the Treaty of Purandar. Next question, Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughals. Answer. Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughals because he wanted to recapture the forts and territories given to the Mughals as per the Treaty of Purandar. Second, he wanted to destabilize the Mughal rule in the Deccan by invading the territories under their control. Next question, Shivaji Maharaj raided Lal Mahal. First point, Shahisti Khan had set up his camp at Lal Mahal in Pune. Second, his army looted the people in the Pune region for 2 years. Third, this had an adverse effect on the moral of the people. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj raided Lal Mahal on 5th April 1663. Next question, Shahisti Khan shifted his camp to Aurangabad. Shahisti Khan shifted his camp to Aurangabad because, first point, in the course of the raid by Shivaji Maharaj on Lal Mahal on 5th April 1663, Shahisti Khan lost his fingers. Second, he suffered great humiliation. Next question, Shivaji Maharaj decided to attack Surat. Answer. Shivaji Maharaj decided to attack Surat because, first point, it was necessary to make good the losses incurred due to ravaging of the territory of Swaraj by Shahisti Khan for 3 years. Second, Surat was a big trade center, port, the rich city of Mughals. Third, the British, the Dutch and the French had their factories in Surat. Fourth, an attack on Surat would be a good lesson to the Mughals. Next question, Shivaji Maharaj got himself coronated. Answer. First point, after relentless struggle for over 30 years, Swaraj was founded. Second point, it was necessary for the Swaraj to gain general recognition as a sovereign independent state. Third point, for such recognition, a formal coronation was necessary. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj got himself coronated on June 1674. Next question, write short note. First point, First question, invasion of Shaiste Khan. First point, Shaiste Khan left from Ahmednagar, entered Pune province in February 1660. Second point, he overcame the resistance of Firangoji Narsala and captured Chakan fort. Third, while he camped in Lal Mahal at Pune, his forces looted the people in the regions around Pune for 2 years. Fourth point, Shaiste Khan lost his fingers when Shivaji Maharaj secretly raided Lal Mahal on 5th April 1663. After his humiliation, Shaiste Khan shifted his camp to Aurangabad. Next point, displaced Aurangzeb transferred him to the province of Bengal. Next, sack of Surat. First point, Surat was a big trade center and a rich city under control of Mughals. Second, the British, the Dutch and the French had their factories in Surat. Third, with a view to make good the losses incurred due to the invention of Shaiste Khan and teach a lesson to the Mughals, Shivaji Maharaj decided to attack Surat. Fourth point, Inayat Khan, the Subedar of Surat, could not put up any resistance. Fifth, Shivaji Maharaj obtained a huge amount of wealth from Surat without bothering the common people. This was a stunning blow to Emperor Aurangzeb's prestige. Next question, invasion of Jai Singh. First, Mirza Raji Jai Singh was an experienced and powerful Rajput Sardar. He was sent to Pune by Aurangzeb to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj. Jai Singh relayed all the inimical forces against Shivaji Maharaj. Third, he, with help of the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British and the Siddhis, suggested to start a naval campaign against Maharaj. Fourth, Jai Singh and Dilay Khan laid siege to the fort of Purandar while the Mughal army divided the territories of the Swaraj. Fifth, the heroic death of Murarbaji Deshpande while defending Purandar made Shivaji Maharaj realize the seriousness of the situation. Sixth, therefore, he made Jai Singh personally and signed the Treaty of Purandar. Jai Singh secured 23 forts and the adjoining territories, yielding an annual revenue of the 4 lakh horns. Next question, escape from Agra. First point, on the guarantee of safety given by Jai Singh, Shivaji Maharaj agreed to visit Agra along with Prince Sambhaji and few trusted people. Second, Aurangzeb did not treat Shivaji, which enraged him. Third point, Shivaji Maharaj put under house arrest. Fourth, he adroitly escaped from Agra and reached Maharashtra safely and then Rajgarh. Fifth point, he had left Prince Sambhaji at Mathura, who was also brought safely to Rajgarh. Next question, preparations for the coronation. First point, for the coronation, a grand and valuable throne of 22 mun of gold was made. There were 8 bedralled pillars on 8 sides of the throne. Third point, plenty of money, clothes, elephant and horses were donated to the scholars who had come to attend the coronation. Fourth, Prince Sambhaji Raje was described the coronation ceremony in his treatise Buddha Bhushanam. Coronation of Shivaji Maharaj. First point, coronation of Shivaji Maharaj was necessary to gain general recognition as a sovereign independent state. Second, Shivaji Maharaj was formally crowned according to the Vedic rituals by Gaga Bhatt at Raigad on 6 June 1674. Third, Maharaj ascended throne of Swaraj and became Chhatrapati of Swaraj. Fourth point, as a symbol of sovereignty, the Rajabhisek Sakka, the coronation era was started. Fifth, on the occasion of coronation, a gold coin called Horn and copper coin called Shivrai were minted with the legend Sri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati inscribed on them. 6. All royal correspondence after the coronation was carried with the word Kshatriya Kulamantasa Sri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. 7. The coronation of Shivaji Maharaj was a revolutionary event in the history of medieval India. Next question, Shivaji Maharaj campaign of the South. First point, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook his campaign of the South in October 1677. Second, he entered into a treaty of friendship with Qutub Shah of Golconda. Third point, he tried to convince without success his half brother Venkoji, the ruler of Tanjavur, to participate in activities of the Swaraj. Fourth, he conquered Bengaluru and Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji and Vellore forts and some part of Adil Shahi kingdom. Fifth, he appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanumante to look after these conquered territories and returned to Swaraj there after 2 years. Sixth, Shivaji Maharaj also annexed the fort of Jinji, which proved to be of great importance of latter years. Student, like, share and subscribe to my channel.